Hello Odoo, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to learn about invoice online payments. So how the customer can pay online for the specific invoice, right? So first of all we just need to set up the accounting or invoicing application. So I just on accounting application, and here in configuration we can set up a specific payment provider, right? So let's say if I set up here any other, let's say PayPal, right? So I just configured this as I am on San Francisco. So I just set up PayPal. I just added here like test any client ID and secret, right? And this is a Stripe. So I just added these two. I just added wrong credential. I just want to show you how it works. So first of all we just need to go to accounting configuration and payment provider. So you can here install specific payment provider which you want to allow customer to pay online, and you just add here correct client ID secret. You can get this from PayPal, also from Stripe, right? These are the different providers. So I just added these two just for testing purpose, and then we will go to configuration settings and go here. You can see this invoice online payments. So I just activated this, right? And then let's say if we create a invoicing here, let's say for Openwood client, we just add this specific products, and I will save, and I can confirm this. Now I can send email to the customer also, right? And customer can get specific email with the website link, and he can open this invoice like same like here, let's say. So customer can redirect to the website side invoicing. You can see this invoice, right? And then here you can pay online. You can see here PayPal and this Stripe, right? And they can pay online. So this is how this online payment work, right, in Odoo. So we just need to activate online payment option from settings, and then correctly configure payment providers, right? And then a customer can pay online, right, from going to his specific account portal site, or he can navigate from the email which he got, right? Thank you very much. I hope this video